In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Teamviewer Host. This straightforward process will have you managing remote connections in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your preferred web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other browser, the process will be similar. Simply focus on whichever one you feel most comfortable navigating. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar at the top of the page and type in Teamviewer. Press Enter and let the search engine work its magic. You'll be greeted with several search results, but your focus should be on locating the official Teamviewer website. It should appear near the top of the list. Once you've found it, click on the link to navigate to the official Teamviewer homepage. Now that you're on the Teamviewer site, look for the option that says Free Download. This is usually prominently displayed on the homepage to make it easy to find. Go ahead and click on Free Download, and then a new screen will appear, presenting you with several plan options. Teamviewer offers different plans depending on your needs. Don't worry if you're not sure which plan is right for you. Teamviewer often provides useful descriptions to help you make the right choice. After selecting your plan, direct your attention to a link on the screen that says, "Visit our download portal for additional downloads." This is where you'll find more specific products that may be suited to your needs. Click on this link, and you'll be guided to a new page dedicated to additional downloads. As you scan this page, look for the Teamviewer Host option. The host version is designed for unattended access, making it perfect for situations where you want to connect to computers remotely without needing someone to be present on the other end. Once you've found the Teamviewer Host option, click on it to initiate the download. At this point, the download should begin, and you'll notice a pop-up or a new bar at the bottom of your browser window asking you to confirm the download. Choose the option to save the file. The file will be downloaded to your computer, typically saved in your Downloads folder, unless you've specified a different location. Once the download completes, you're ready to move on to installation. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded Teamviewer Host. In just a few steps, you've set yourself up to manage remote access efficiently and effectively. Remember, each type of Teamviewer installation serves a unique purpose, so choose wisely based on your remote access needs. I hope this guide was helpful, and you'll find Teamviewer a valuable tool in your remote access toolkit. Stay tuned for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.